YPAG are our young people's advisory group, and they're a group of young volunteers aged between 11 and 19. Some of them are current patients at our trust, some of them are ex-patients, some might be siblings of people that have used any service within the organisation, and some might just have a general interest in wanting to kind of engage and support health services. The group are made up of around 15 young volunteers, and they've donated around 250 hours of volunteering to us, so that could be taking part in project meetings, getting involved in individual one-to-one work, or contributing to leaflet designs and posters. So for us, I think it's about recognising the dedication that the young people bring to the work that we do. So they've also contributed to the Big Build project, so kind of sharing their ideas about what one of our new hospitals could look like. They've got involved with sharing their ideas around the artwork that we're developing over at Waterfall House and things like that. If you are feeling a little bit nervous about joining a group like YPAG, don't let that put you off, because the group's really supportive. We've got a dedicated youth engagement officer, and the group sort of sits within our volunteer services as well. So if you might be interested in joining YPAG and want to think about volunteering within the hospital as well, that could be an option. And we also look at buddying up newer members with more experienced members of YPAG. So if anybody might be feeling a bit nervous, we can always pair you up with somebody that's more experienced, so that can help you to kind of feel a bit more at ease with the things that you're getting involved in. Just a big heartfelt thanks for everything that they've done, because sometimes our requests can come at last minute, but they are always willing to kind of come forward and share their voice and make sure that they're being heard. And nothing's ever too big or too small, and everything that they do is out of their own time, so they kind of dedicate their support to YPAG along with their studies, anything they do outside of school or education. So for me, it's just a heartfelt thanks for everything that they've done, and that we really value them.